good morning.
Hi, teacher.
Hi, good morning. Please tell your classmate to stream now. By the way, my name is Teacher Shane. I'll be your teacher for your mathematics. I'm actually handling room one. I'm actually handling room one and room two. For the other subjects, for the other rooms, you are taught by teacher Mel and teacher Joe, right? Okay. So please stream now. I'm looking for. Hi, Harry. I miss you. Virtual hugs for everyone and kisses. Yeah, shout out to room one and room two. I miss you very much. And for those other rooms, I know that teacher Mel and teacher Joe misses you too. I am Pong. Hello. All right, let's start our class, shall we? Okay, one more minute. Let's wait for the others and then we will start immediately for our lesson today. Hi. Hi for those room 3, room 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Please come now. We already have 24 viewers. Ooh, 24 viewers. I think you are more or less 400. Where are the others? Hello. TT. Hi, TT. Shout out. Okay, let's have a shout out even for other rooms. We have Napat from room 4, number 28. Hello. Okay, time check. Okay, it's 10 now. Let us start. Please tell your classmate to stream now because we only have 21 viewers. Where are the other hundreds? Hello, Jean. someone PM'd me last time. She lied me that I wasn't teaching grade 6. So here I am now. I'm going to teach you. So again, for those who just newly streamed, I am Teacher Shane. I'll be teaching you mathematics for today. I'm handling room 1 and room 2. And for the other rooms, your teacher is Teacher Mel and Teacher Joe. Okay. Okay, let's start our lesson. All right. Now, when we are buying something or we want to go to Lazada, we want to go to Shopee, we usually see photos of what we wanted. And if we want to buy something, we want to see all of the sides of the item, right? Just like here in our photo. You can see here, we have, for example, if you want to go camping, then you will buy a tent for your, if you want to sleep or if you want to relax, then you're going to use a tent. Now, as you can see, you will see all the sides of the tent, okay? Please think because I'm going to ask you what is our lesson today. You have to guess what is our lesson for today. Now, if you're going to travel to somewhere, we also wanted to take a photo, right? So we also need a camera, right? Okay, now if you wanted to buy a camera, you want to buy and you want to check it first, all of the sides of the camera, if it's working or it's not working, or if it's in good condition. So we wanted to see all of the sides of the camera. Also, we have here the sides of the packaging of a juice. Okay, we have an example here. Okay, so you will also see like the top of it, and the faces of it, and the sides of the box. Now, can you tell me or any guess what is our lesson today? I'm going to record those who will answer me for today because this is recorded, right? Yes, Nat, I remember you. Hi, Nat, from room 2. Okay, please comment down. I'm going to record your points for those who will answer me for today. Any guess what is our Tanwa, please give me your, please comment your room and your room number. All right? Okay, I think Tanwa guessed it right. Yes, our lesson for today is about the 3D shape. Yes, 3D shape. Very good. Okay, or also known as solid figures. Okay, I have here some examples of solid figures that you can see. Okay, for 3D shape is like an abbreviation only. 3D shape is known as three-dimensional. Now, why is it called 3D 3D or three-dimensional? Why is it called three-dimensional? Chinchanok, don't worry, no homework. Don't worry, we'll just have fun today. Okay, why is it called solid figure or three-dimensional? Why is it called? I know you're finished with your Thai math. Okay, Pachara from room 3, number 20, they have height. Yes, they have height. What else? Yes, it's correct. Also from room 4, number 16, see all the sides. Yes, correct. Also, we have see all the sides. You can see all of the sides of a 3D. Okay, so I'm going to show you the definition for our three-dimension or 3D. We have here something that has width, length, and depth or length. Okay, so a 3D has its length, width, and height. Yes, look real. Yes, it's actually real. We can see 3D in our society, like your building, or even when you are sitting now, you can see your computer, your phones. Those are example of our 3D. Okay, now let's go on for some vocabulary. We have the word face. What is face? This is your face, right? Okay, but this is math, so let's not talk about our face. What do you think is face? If we're talking about some 3D shape, what do you think is the face? This one, this is your face. In front, all right? Okay, so let's have it. It is a flat surface. So the face is, it is a flat surface. If it's a flat surface, meaning we are talking about two-dimensional or 2D. What are those flat surface? We can have triangle, square, a circle. Those are flat surface. It doesn't have width. Okay, it only have height and length. Yes, that is your face. We also have the word edge. Okay, do you know what is edge? What is edge? Okay, in front, I'm gonna consider that for, who's this? Room 4, number 16, and room 1, number 4. Yes. Okay, for edge, it is where the two faces meet. Is that like I'm face to face? Both face will meet. Is that how you're going to understand the meaning of edge? Age. What is age? Age is the number or how many years you are. It's not age, it's edge. Okay. Width times length times height. Yes, I know you know already that one, but let's have first the vocabulary. Okay, edge mean where it is. There are two faces. For example, you have the rectangle and the rectangle. They are meeting at some point. Then this point or this edge, okay, is where the two faces meet. So that is the meaning of edge. We also have the word vertex. Now, there vertex is a singular word. We also have the plural word for vertex. It is called vertices. Okay, so the plural word for the word vertex is vertices. So you will see that later on. So vertex is a point where two or more curves, lines, or edges meet. A vertex is another word for corner. All right, so vertex is also known as our corner, or it is a certain point where a line or what is that? curve or what else? Edges meet. All right, so you will see that later on. Don't worry. Okay, so let's have first one. Okay, guess what is this kind of 3D? I know that you know already some of the 3D, so please guess what is this kind of 3D? What do you think is this? Again, we're recording your um, answers. Okay, we have Akaradet. Akaradet, please show your room and your number. Okay, we have not the thing, Chanat, not the thing, but the figure. Okay, we have there the answer cube. Yes, very good. We also have number 44 from room 1 cube. Yes, that is correct. This is a cube. All right, can you see it? C-U-B-E. Okay, remember the spellings? I'm going to ask you later on for the spellings. Okay, so we have the cube. All right, now let's check our cube. We have first the faces. Where is our faces there? Let's count how many faces do we have for our cube. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, 6 only. So the cube is composed of 6 faces. Okay, now how about the edges of it? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So we have for our edges, we have 12 edges for our cube. Now, how about for our vertices? Again, vertices or vertex. Okay, where is our vertex for our cube? So I'm going to show to you that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So those are the vertex of our cube. As you can see in our vocabulary, vertex is where the line, the curves are meeting each other. So as you can see, this line, these 3 lines are meeting at some certain point. So that is why we call it as our vertex. So how many vertex do we have in our cube? We have 8 vertex or corner. Yes, Achila, what? Yes, from room 1. It's also commonly known as corners. Corners and vertex are the same. All right, now let's have another one. What do you think is this 3D? It's a box. It's a kind of box. Maybe it's a shoe box or a gift box. So what do you think is this? Please comment. Rainbow. Prism. Yes, it could be prism. Okay, what else? Prism. Others are answering prism. Or I'm going to show it to you. It's called cuboid. Okay, it's called cuboid. Don't be confused about cube and cuboid. Cuboid has all the same side. All the same sides are the same. For our cuboid, it's not. The other side could be a rectangle, and the other side could be a square. So this is our cuboid. Yes, very good. Tanwa, Rachata, Chanat, Tanachot. Yes, it's correct. It's a cuboid. All right, now let's check our edges, vertices, and faces of our cuboid. Okay, let's start from our edges. Our edges, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So as you can see, cuboid and cube, they have the same edges. They have 12 edges. How about our vertices? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so we have 8 vertices for our cuboid. Don't mind that one. Okay, for our faces, we have 1, that side, 2 at the top, 3 at the bottom, 4 both sides, okay, and 5, 6. All right, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 faces for our cuboid. All right. Yes, very good for those who are saying it's 6 faces. Okay, so let's continue. How about this one? We have the 10. 10 is used for our camping. Okay, what do you think is this kind of 3D? Please comment. Yes, someone said prism, tent. Okay, someone said camping, prism. Are you sure? Okay. No, don't tell me the thing. I know the thing, but the 3D shape, the shape. Okay, some said prism. Yes. Okay, I also have another one. When we go to camping, we also want to eat some food. Okay, so I have an example here, Toblerone or the chocolate. Okay, so this one is called triangular prism. The spelling is triangular triangular prism. Okay, so try to read this one. Maybe your teacher or me will have that in your speaking test. So please remember how to pronounce, how to read it, and the spelling of it. So we have triangular prism. So this is how it looks like for our triangular prism. Okay, can you tell me how many edges do we have for our triangular prism? You can see the figure there, right? Okay, how many do you think? Okay, so we have here triangle. We have 2 triangles actually. For one triangle, we have 3 edges or 3 lines. So that is 2 times 3, that is 6. And we have that at the top and at the bottom too. So 6 plus 3, that is 9 edges. Very good. Okay, how about the vertices or the vertex? How many vertex do we have? Okay, I will show it to you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so we have 6 vertices. Very good for those who got the correct answer. That's very easy. Okay, next we also have faces. Okay, 1, 2 at the bottom, 3 at the side, and 2 triangles at the edges, at the sides. Okay, so how many faces? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, very good for those who got the correct answer from Pachara, Ajing, Ang, yes. Tanadol, yes, 5, yes. Okay, from number 10, room to number 5. Okay. Okay, your answers are correct. Now we also have another one. The other one is triangular prism. How about this one? How do you call this? I saw some of the students playing like this. I even borrowed your toy, right? Or maybe I confiscated because while I'm teaching, others are playing this. Okay, someone answered. Okay, check. Tanwa, check your spelling. Okay, Achirawat from room 1, number 4. Wow, Achirawat, you're very attentive. We have pyramid, Rachata pyramid. Sirawit, you have pyramid from room 4, number 16. Natadanay. Yes, pyramid. Yes, very good. You are correct. That is a pyramid. Okay, have you seen the pyramid? The real one pyramid, the big one in our Egypt? Pyramid. Yes, that is pyramid. Okay, now let's have the edges. How many edges for our pyramid? How many edges for pyramid? Okay, pyramid spell as Pyramid. Okay, don't forget the correct spelling for pyramid. Okay, for the edges, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so we have 8 edges for our pyramid. Yes, correct for those who comment 8. That is correct. How about the vertices of our pyramid? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Very good. We have 5 vertices. Some answered 5 vertices. Very good for those giving me the complete answer. Some would just comment 5 and that is okay. But I prefer those who answered a complete answer like 5 vertices. I just only play the pyramid Rubik's. Ha, Tanapat, you have to learn about the pyramid. Okay, next we have faces. How many faces do we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, we have 5. The bottom part is not triangle, but all the sides are triangle. We have 4 sides. So we have 5 faces for our, yes, very good, Shanat, for completing your answer, like 5 faces and 0 with 5 faces. Yes. Okay, that is correct. We have 5 faces for our pyramid. Okay, now let's proceed to the other one. Okay, how about this? Pringles. Someone got from room 1 and room 2. I give them like prize for those good students that I have, and I think I gave them Pringles for being good in my class. Did room 7 have? I don't know. You have to ask Teacher Joe. Is Teacher Joe your teacher? Pringles, yes. Chanat, yes, Pringles. Pringles. Is it Pringles? Where I'm asking about the 3D shape. I know this is a Pringles. Okay, someone answered cylinder. Cylinder or cylinder. Yes, cylinder. Others is answering cylinder. What is cyberpunk? That is a cyberpunk. Okay, that is cylinder. Okay, so cylinder spelled as Cylinder. Cylinder. Okay, that is correct. Cylinder. Okay, so for cylinder, let's check its edge. Okay, do you think a cylinder has an edge? Yes or no? Teacher have sponsor. Oh, really, Chanad? Who's your sponsor? Okay, do you think a cylinder has edge? What do you think? Others answered no. Okay, no, Racha, no. Your answers are no. Okay, let's check if cylinder has an edge or not. Okay, we have an edge. We still have an edge. We have 2 edges, the top and the bottom of the cylinder. So there are 2 edges. Okay. Maybe. Okay, it's okay if you answered 0 or no. At least you know that cylinder has an edge, the top and the bottom. All right. Now, how about the vertices? Do you think we have vertices for our cylinder? Imagine your Pringles, it's curving, right? Okay. Do you think you will see a vertices or vertex in your cylinder? Oh, we're 7. Do you think yes or no? Do we have? I don't know. No. Rectangle. What else? Okay, so the answer for that is 2 edges, no vertices, 3 faces, 2 curves. Okay, Pachara from room 3, number 20. Wow, you have a complete answer. So for the vertices, we don't have. No, there is no vertex for our cylinder. If you can imagine the Pringles, it's just a curve. There is no certain point that some point are meeting each other. So there is only an edge. Okay, for faces, how about the faces? Okay, obviously we have face. Okay, we have 1 and 2. Okay, that's it. That is only your face. Okay, 2 faces only. 3 faces. The one that you're talking about, 3 faces, is called curved surface, right? Because it is like curving. So that is curved surface. Okay, so next, let's have another one. What do you call this? Okay. You will see this at the road, or maybe if someone is working at the road, then you will see this kind of object. Trollo. What is trollo? Okay, answer. Someone answered cone. Tanwa, Chanat, yes, Tatanay, Arshawin from room P number 11. At Chiriwat, Otos, Gigi. No. Cone of ice cream. All right. So this is cone. Yes, very good. You are correct. That is cone. It's spelled as Cone. If you can see that, that is Cone. Cone. All right. Now, for our cone, do you think we have an edge for our cone? Yes or no? If there is, tell me how many. If there is none, then answer me no. Okay, comment now. What do you think? We have 78 viewers. Where are the others? Okay, we have two edge. Imagine a cone is round, right? So it's like the same um with our cylinder. Okay, for our edge, we only have that one. So that is one. For our vertex, we have 0. For our face, we have 1. Okay, and for our curved surface, this one. Okay, that is round curve. Okay, so that is 1, 2. So 1 edge, 0 vertex, 1 face, and 1 curved surface. Okay, some got the correct answer. Yes, very good for those who got the correct answer. All right, last. I think this is the last. Boys, those boys who are playing this, I hope you know what kind of 3D object is this, or 3D shape. I'm expecting. Yes, I know it's a ball, but how about the 3D shape? What do you call this kind of 3D shape? Okay, some answered sphere. Okay, your answer is actually correct. That is a sphere. Okay, they said that our globe is spherical, so that is sphere. Okay, so let's have our sphere. For our sphere, we have 0 edges, 0 vertices, 0 faces. But our curved surface, we have 1. Okay, so you already know that we have sphere. For our sphere, we have 0 edge, 0 vertex, 0 face, and 1 curved surface. Okay, 0, 0. Yes. Okay, now let's try your memory. Are you ready? Okay, this time, since I know when I'm going to record your points, let's have 5 points for those who will get the correct answer. Okay, let's try your memory. If you can still remember, with correct spelling. Okay, I'm going to record the first 3 or the first 2 who will got the correct answer, because some will just copy other answers. So I'm going to pick only the first 2 or the first 3 that will get the answer. Okay, please label this one. Okay. Comment, what is that? What are we going to label to that? Cube. Cube. Are you sure, cube? Okay, we have Rachata. Rachata, please comment your room and your number. Okay, we have Tanadol, face, and we have a Karadet. Very good for those who got the correct answer. That is called face. Yes, it's a face. Yes, others answered cube. Yes, it's a cube, but we are going to label the parts of it. Okay, next. All right, next. How about this? What do you think? Okay, we have Sira with Tanadol and Pachara from room 3, number 20. Okay, the answer is edge. Yes, very good. Okay, the last one. Okay, this time I know that others will answer vertex or vertices. Give me the other term for vertex and vertices. What is the other term for vertex or vertices? Please comment. Yes, I know it's vertices, but let's see who's listening to me. Yes, we have Tanapad. Room 6, number 27. And we have Pachara from room 3, number 20. And one more, Papavarin. Room 6, number 21. The answer is corner. Yes, vertex or corner. All right. Yes, some of you got the correct answer. We have vertices or vertex, but I'm asking about the other term. I'm checking if you are really listening to me. All right. Next, I am going to show you some objects, and then you have to identify what kind of 3D shape is that. Okay, ready? Okay, what do you think is this? I know what toy is that, but you have to give me the answer. Others answered prism. What specific kind of prism? Okay, we have Pachara from room 3, number 20. Wow, Pachara, very good. Okay, we also have prism. Wrong spelling. Ang, what is your answer, Ang? There is no answer for. Okay, we have Rachata. Yes. Okay, we have Rachata too. Sarah, know what? Yes. And one more. Okay, we have Rapi Pong from room 3, number 44. Well, very good for room 3. They are very attentive. Okay, we have the answer triangular prism. Yes, very good. Okay, how about this? Oh, boys, I hope you can answer now. Okay, what is this? What do you think is that? Okay, we have Pachara, ball. Pachara, we have Pachara. We have Patira from room number 241. And Chatsaya, yes, room 4, number 1, sphere. Yes. Okay, so, okay, the answer is spear. Okay, very good. Okay, how about this one? I'm going to give you the edges, vertices, and faces. Now you have to guess what kind of 3D is being described here. What do you think? Okay, we have an answer. We have Zero Wit from room 4, number 16. Well, very good. Room 4, number 16. We have room 5, number 21. And Chanat, yes. Very good, Chanat. You guess it right now. Okay, the answer to that is pyramid. Yes. Pyramid. Pyramid. Okay, next. How about this one? We have the dice. What do you think is dice? Okay. How about this one? Okay, someone answered na. Tanado from room number 521 and Pachara. Room number 3, number 20. Wow, Pachara, you keep on answering and your answers are correct. Tanapat, we have room 6, number 27. Okay, the answer to that is cube. Yes, cube. Okay, I know you're playing with this when you are having the snake and ladder. You use that one. All right, next. Oh, we have cornetto. I miss cornetto. I haven't eaten that one. Okay, how about cornetto ice cream? It's very easy. I know you can do that. Okay, we have Chanat. Wow, very good, Chanat. This time you're not answering me ice cream. Okay, we also have Pachara again and Tanapat. Okay, your answer is correct. That is cone. Yes, that is cone. or Cone. Very good for others because your spellings are correct. I hope when we have a listening test with your teachers, Teacher Mel and Teacher Joe, you will not forget the spelling of those 3D because some of you, when we have a listening test, you don't know how to spell already. Okay, so that is Cone, cone. All right. Now, how about this one? We have two edges, we have zero vertex, we have two faces, and one curved surface. Yes. What is it? Okay, someone answered Tanadol and Tanadol. Silhouette, yes. And Pachala again, yes. Your answer is correct. And others also spelled it right. That is Cylinder, cylinder. Yes, very good. That is cylinder. Okay, some are just spamming. China Kij, number 5, room 5, number 23. Please stop spamming. If you don't want to answer, do not spam. Okay? All right. Now, how about this one? It's very easy. I think you answered it already, but I give you the other one, the description. Okay, we have Tanado, Chichan, we have Pachara and Rachata. Yes, very good, Rachata. You got from top 3 now. The answer is pyramid. Pyramid is spelled as Pyramid. Pyramid. Yes, very good. Pyramid. Okay. The Chanon, hi. Have you just gotten here? Please stop spamming. No spamming, please. All right. Now, let's have another one. We have a candle. Okay, we have candles, lighted candles. What do you think? Okay, we have pachara. Okay, we have pachara. Number 3, room 3, number 20. Only you? Okay, Rajata, you are top 2 now. And zero it, we have from room number 4, number 16. The answer is correct. It's called cylinder. Again, cylinder. 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 Yes, some of you got the correct answer again. And correct spelling. Very good for those who got the correct spelling. I'm so proud of you guys. Room 6, you know how to spell. Okay, how about this one? We have one edge, zero vertex. We have one face and curved surface. One curved surface. What do you think? Oh, I'm so sorry for Achirawat and Chanak for having a slow internet. What do you think? Someone answered cone. Okay, Sirawit Tanwai from room 2, number 42, and Chachaya. Room 1, number 4. Okay, your answer is cone. Let's check if your answer is correct. Yes, it's cone. Yes, very good. Okay, I think this is the last one. Okay, what do you think is that? Sponge. Okay, a sponge is used for washing your dishes. Do you wash your dishes? All right, what do you think? Okay, we have Sirawit, Tanudol, and Chachaya. Okay, the answer is, okay, others are still answering. Why someone answered CUB as cube and then boyd, BOID? Oh, see, others spelled it COUBOID. You have to do the correct spelling. Cuboid, CUBOID, cuboid. All right. Someone answered cube, CUBE, and then boy, BOI. That is wrong. Cuboid. Okay, cube and bow. Others are just playing with me. Okay, so that's it. Very good for our solid shapes. Very good for those who got the correct answers, and very good for those who are listening to me. The 6 to 8 viewers that I have. Okay, I want you to raise your hand. Raise your hand there, even if you look like a crazy one. Okay, raise your hand and tap yourself and say good job. Tell yourself good job. Okay, very good for those who are here, and I know that you want to play or you want to sleep, and I hope you have fun with your other teachers. I miss you, everyone. Virtual hugs and virtual kisses from Teacher Shane, and that's it for today. Bye. See you soon. Stay healthy.